Controls category. This category controls every setting of your project. Our first block is wait inserted seconds. It will stop the code which is going to be executed after this block for given time of seconds. Let's take an example. For that we'll need two sprites. Let's take Abby. We'll flip her horizontally. So in sprite 1, which is our cat, when green flag clicked, it will say hello for 2 seconds and wait for 1 second. Then when green flag clicked, this sprite 2, which is Abby, will wait for 2 seconds. Which 2 seconds? These 2 seconds of saying hello. For that time period, Abby will wait for 2 seconds because this is also of 2 seconds. Then sprite 1, that is our cat, will wait for 1 second and Abby will say something only for 1 second. Let's say hi for 1 second. Let's see. Now here, after waiting 1 second, Scratch Cat will say how are you again for 2 seconds. Hello waiting for 2 seconds. Hi waiting for 1 second. How are you? And no other code. So this is how wait 1 second or wait inserted second block works. Then we have repeat inserted times block, which repeats an code which will be inserted in this given space for given number of times, which we will insert here. So let's say repeat next costume. This sprite has two costumes. First is this one, second is this one. So repeat this 10 times. It will repeat when green flag clicked. Let's change it to 8 times. It repeated 8 times very fast as there is no wait 1 second block. So we'll wait 1 second here, wait one. We'll change it to 0.30 seconds. Now let's see. It is changing costume after every 1 second as 0.30 plus 0.30 equals to 1 second. So repeat 8 times, wait 0.30 seconds, next costume, wait 0.30 seconds, again wait 0.30 seconds, then next costume. So this is how it repeats the action. Then there is forever block. It does the same thing, just it repeats the given action forever. So when green flag clicked, forever, wait 0.30 seconds, next costume, wait 0.30 seconds. This forever block will repeat this action forever. So yeah, this action is never going to stop until we stop the project. So we have to stop the project. Then if condition then execute block, we give a condition over here, and then if the condition is true, it does the action which is given here, and if the condition is not true, then it does nothing until we give something to do. So we'll go to operators block. If answer is equal to 50, then say correct for 2 seconds, and if it is not, then it will do nothing. Also, let's give a question for the answer, right? Let's say what is 30 plus 20? Let's say 50. It said correct. Now if we give any other answer, like let's give 60, so it does nothing as we have given nothing to do. Let's go to next block, which is similar. If condition then execute else. So there's an option to execute something when the condition is not true. Let's take the same example, just the block will be different. Say correct and else say you are wrong. It's 50. Let's increase the period of time for 3 seconds. Let's test. What is 30 plus 20? We'll say 50. Correct. And again we'll execute this. What is 30 plus 20? We'll say 60. And it said you are wrong, it's 50 as the condition doesn't match. Answer is equal to 50, then say correct. Answer is not equal to 50, then else. It will do the else condition, which is you're wrong, it's 50. Then let's go to next block, which is wait until block. So here we'll take the same example. Ask what is 30 plus 20, then wait until answer is equal to 50. If the answer will be 50, it will execute something. If the answer not 50, it will do nothing. Let's see. What is 30 plus 20? Let's say 50. Sorry, 50. It said correct. Now, what is 30 plus 20? 20. It does nothing. As we have given the command, wait until the answer is 50. If the answer is 50, it will say correct for 2 seconds. If the answer is not 50, it will do nothing as we have given no code to do when the condition is false. Next block is repeat until. It does repeat something till the condition matches. So let's take another example. You all will be bored for the same example again and again. So for this example, we will take a sprite which has many costumes. So we'll go to choose a costume, and this sprite has many costumes. Its name is Anina. So we'll delete Scratch Cat and Abby, and we'll go to Anina dance. So when green flag clicked, repeat until. Let's go to the 10th costume. So repeat until the costume number is 10th. Okay. Repeat until costume number is equal to 10. When the costume number is equal to 10, it will say beautiful. Now again at the same time we'll give it another code that it should repeat the costumes, right? So when green flag clicked, switch costume to first costume, that is Anina stance. Then wait for 0.30 seconds. Next costume, and this will be repeated forever. Green flag clicked, switch costume to Anina's dance, which is our first costume. These are two blocks. We have to take one block out. Okay. Okay, there was a little mistake. I just solved it. So when green flag clicked, switch costume to Anina's dance, which is our first costume. Then for forever, wait 0.30 seconds. Next costume, wait 0.30 seconds, and this will be happening forever. Here, when green flag clicked, repeat until the costume number is equal to 10. Now, till the costume number is 10, it will keep saying beautiful for 2 seconds. And this will be repeated until the costume number is 10. Then the last costume is 13, so 11, 12, 13. Then again 1, 2, 3. And this process is going to be repeated, but only the first 10 costume. At the time of first 10 costumes, this sprite will be saying beautiful. Let's test it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now 11, 12, 13. Again 1, 2. Now, why is it say why is it not saying beautiful again, as the costume number 1 to 10 is being repeated? Because the code is about being repeated until the costume number is changed to 10. Now, if again the costume number is being changed to 10, so we haven't given any code to do something when the costume number 10 will again be repeated. It's only for the first time when it's being repeated. So that's why when again the process is going on, it will not be repeated, as we have said it only for the first time. So I hope you understood it. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below. I'll surely solve it. Then our next block is stop all. Three options: stop all, stop this script, and stop other scripts in Sprite. So what does this stop all option do? Stop all means it stops all the action happening in the project. Let's take an example. So let's take the green flag clicked block. Let's join it here. We'll take a forever block. Inside the forever block, we will take and play sound meow until done. Forever play sound meow until done. At the same time, when green flag clicked, wait for 5 seconds and then stop all. So after the 5 seconds of playing this sound will be automatically turned off and there is forever block. So it is supposed to never to be stopped, but because of this stop all block it will be stopped. Let's test it out. As you can see, after 5 seconds the sound stop because of the stop all block. Our next option is stop this script. It stops the entire code to which this block is attached. Let's take an example. When green flag clicked, say hello for 2 seconds. Say my name is Scratch Cat for 2 seconds. Say I stay in Scratch for 2 seconds. Say I am the lead character of Scratch for 2 seconds and then stop this script. So it is going to stop this whole script, this whole set of blocks, but not the script in this sprite. So it stops only the set of blocks to which it is attached. Like stop the script block is attached to only these set of codes but not these. So these set of codes are going to run. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 8. So when green flag clicked, wait 8 seconds and say thank you. That's why the thank you block will run. Even if the stop the script block is there, the thank you block will run because stop the script stops the entire set of blocks which it is attached to, not the set of blocks which are there in the sprite. Let's test. Hello, my name is Scratch Cat. I stay in Scratch. I'm the lead character of Scratch. Thank you. And as we expected, the Scratch Cat replies thank you too. Our next block is stop other scripts in sprite. This block stops all other scripts in the particular sprite except the set of blocks or the script which it is attached to. So it is opposite of this script. So if this block is attached to one script over here and there are many other scripts like those, so it will stop all those other scripts, but it will not stop the script which it is attached to. So here's the example. When green flag clicked, say hello for 2 seconds, say my favorite color is orange for 2 seconds, and say I love being in Scratch for 2 seconds. Then stop other scripts in Sprite. So except this script, these two scripts will be stopped and they will not run as the block says other scripts in Sprite. So not these other scripts in every sprite, the other scripts in this particular sprite in which the block is. Let's test it out. When green flag clicked, say hello. My favorite color is orange. I love being in Scratch and now stop other scripts in Sprite. So it stopped other scripts in Sprite. That's why these two scripts are not running. And that's why it didn't said thank you and visit again. So let's take our third but last block, which is when I start as a clone. So for that we have to get our clone. There's this block create clone of myself. So we can create multiple clones of this sprite in which the block is right now present. When we click on this block, one clone will be created. For the number of times we click on the the number of times the clone will be created. So we clicked one time and we can take this original sprite by side side by clicking and dragging, and here's another clone. So we have got two clones. When we click once again, we have got another clone created. See, so this is how we can make clones, and for that clones, as we have the when green flag clicked block, this one. So we also have one when I start as a clone block. So when green flag clicked, say hello for 2 seconds, then wait 1 second, create clone of myself. Then when I start as a clone, say I have a clone for 2 seconds. Hello. Then it is going to have a clone and say I have a clone. First we want create clone of myself, and when I start as a clone we want it to go to another position. So we'll go to motion category and change x by 10. Okay, now let's see. Hello, and it changed x by 10. Let's change x by 50. And the clone said I have a clone, but actually this is the clone saying I have a clone. So this is how these two blocks work: create clone of myself and when I start as a clone. Then we have our last block, delete this clone. So when I start as a clone, say I have a clone, then wait 1 second and delete this clone. Now the clone which will be there will be deleted. So the clone will be deleted when we put this block. Hello, clone created, change text by 50, and then clone deleted. So yeah, this was our controls category. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below and I'll surely solve it. In next video, we'll be learning the sensing category, which is also very interesting. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.